Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to log in to Salesforce. Alright, let's begin. First, open any preferred browser on your PC and search for Salesforce. You will see a list of search results related to Salesforce. Simply open the one that says Login and the login page will open up. This page will have fields for you to enter your account credentials. Now, look for the username field and enter the username associated with your Salesforce account. It's usually an email address or a unique username. After entering the username, move on to the password field and type in your password. Make sure to enter it correctly, as Salesforce has strict security measures in place. Once you have entered your required credentials, click on the Login button. After you click on it, your account will be logged in automatically and you will be redirected to your Salesforce dashboard or homepage. If you need to log out later, simply click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Logout and you will be signed out of your account. So that's basically how you can log in to Salesforce. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.